Now, when you have a date time scalar, you often may want to use it in a string. Okay, like for example, this report was prepared on, and then you want the date, right? And you want that date to be in a particular format. You can't just simply print this, it won't make any sense. So you want it in a particular format, and for formatting the date in a particular format, we use this method called strftime, string format time, right? strftime. And in the textbook, the formatting codes are given in table 2.5. Okay? And all of those formats are available for us. So let's try some of them. Okay. So now we want to strftime, okay, string format time. So that is the date time value is converted into a string in the format that we specify. Okay. strftime method for formatting date time values. Okay. So one way of formatting is, so you take the date variable, which we have saved in DT, and then you say strftime, and then specify what format to use. Okay. So you can say something like, okay, all of these formats start with the percentage sign. Okay, and again, you see in table 2.5, all of those different codes are given. So if you use the lowercase m, so that is month. So you want month first, okay, and then say you want a slash, and then say you want the day to be printed, so percentage D, and then a slash again, percentage, say uppercase Y. Uppercase Y means 4-digit year. Lowercase y will be 2-digit year. Okay. And then suppose we want to leave a space, and then uppercase H colon uppercase M. So lowercase m is for month, uppercase m is for 2-digit minute. Lowercase m is 2-digit month. Okay. Okay, so that's giving me an error. Okay, all right. The reason why it gave me an error is because the format should be a string. So this needs to be enclosed with quotation mark. Okay. So now you see it's using 2-digit month, and then the day of the month, and then 4-digit year, and then it gives you the hour and the minutes. Now instead of slash, suppose you want hyphens, then you change the slash to a hyphen, then it will print it with a hyphen instead of a slash. Okay. All right, now let's try one more. Say you say dt strf time, and then quotation mark, because the formatting string should be within quotation mark. Okay. All right. So I do the same thing, okay, and I'll go back to slash now. Now if I use a lowercase y, okay, so now what will happen? The year, instead of being 2011, it will be simply 11. All right. Now you can change the order any way you want. So date str f time, quotation mark, say you say percentage y, okay, and then you do percentage h hyphen percentage m, for example. Then it will print only the year from the date. Okay, it will ignore month and the day of the month, and then it will print the hour and the minutes with a hyphen in between. Okay. Now one more thing, let's look at date strf time. And suppose you want the hour. Okay, so right now the hour is 20, minutes is 30, right? So when you use percentage h, it formats the hour in 24-hour format, the military style, right? Suppose you want 12-hour format with AM and PM attached to it. So then we use percentage I instead of percentage H. H is for 24 hours, military style. I is for normal style. And then okay, so if you did that, then it'll give it to you in 2-digit hour, but convert it into 12-hour clock. Okay, but using percentage I just simply converts the number into 12-hour clock, but it doesn't tell you whether it is AM or PM. Right? So you want that. So percentage I should normally be used with, okay, so with the indication of whether it is AM or PM, and that you get with percentage lowercase p. Okay, so percentage H is 24 hours, percentage I is for 12-hour clock, but when you use percentage I, you have to do percentage P for it to display whether it is AM or PM.